Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone so the camera runs smoothly. Charge and clear space, because large photos and HDR need working storage. Once ready, open the Pixel Camera app, double-press power if configured, and grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions so features like video and saving work. Make sure to allow location only if you want geotags. Now position your subject and tap to focus. This first actionable step locks exposure and autofocus, so subsequent settings behave predictably. Next, pick the right mode for the scene and optimize before shooting. Swipe to photo, portrait, night sight, or video. Use more to access pro controls or panorama. Once done, tap settings to enable RAW capture, grid lines, stabilization, and manage HDR. RAW helps edit, HDR balances contrast. Make sure to switch lenses using the 0, 6x, 1x, or 2x buttons to change field of view. Finally, adjust exposure with the slider to keep highlights and shadows where you want them. To finish, capture deliberately. Tap the shutter or press a volume button for an alternative trigger. Hold for motion photos or long press for burst mode when action is fast. Once taken, swipe up to review and edit in Google Photos, crop, adjust exposure, or apply filters. RAW edits require an external editor. If something goes wrong, restart the camera app, clear its cache, confirm permissions, and make sure the Google Camera app is updated. These steps fix most glitches quickly, so you can resume shooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.